everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So welcome to another Sew Sundays, where we sew quick and easy beginner friendly projects. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so the first thing I'm going to show you all is my main piece. My main piece measurements are 20 by 10, and I already created this on the fold. So right now you're looking at a 5" by 20. Okay. And you also need a little small piece here, which is 4" by 4½. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this, but I'm going to make sure that it's wrong sides facing each other. So I know we usually do right sides facing each other, but for this piece in particular, we're going to make sure that we put our wrong sides facing each other. Now for this piece, I have right sides facing each other. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a straight stitch going straight across here. And then we're going to create another straight stitch going this way. And this is stretch fabric. So because this is stretch fabric, the stitching that I'm going to be using is a zigzag stitch. So you want to make sure that this is going around your head and you want it to stretch like so. But you want it to fit a little snug, not too loose. Okay, so let's go ahead and create our zigzag stitches. So after you have completed your zigzag stitch, you should have something that looks like this. And I tried to make sure that I did my zigzag stitch as close as I could to the edge, so I didn't have to cut off any excess of fabric. But if you need to cut it off, no problem. Go ahead and do so now. So I'm going to turn this right side out. And remember, our smaller piece here is already turned on this right side, because remember we sewed that wrong sides facing each other. Okay, so now we're going to turn this right side out like so, and you want to make sure that your seams are placed in the middle. You're going to bring both of your ends together like so, and you're going to place one inside of the other. Okay, so I'm going to place this one inside of here. Doesn't matter which side, just pick a side. Okay, and I'm going to grab me some Wonder Clips. And I'm going to place one on each end. Get a much bigger one. Okay, now we're going to take this back to the sewing machine and we're going to sew this a straight stitch going straight across, but I'm going to use a zigzag stitch again. Okay, y'all, now off camera I thought about it like, wait a minute. Okay, so I took my small little piece here and I created this zigzag stitch like so, but I did this on top of this fabric. So what I did was, when this wasn't sewn yet, I slid this through, and I still had this attached right afterwards. And I created the zigzag stitch, right? So I moved this one over a little bit, and then I created this zigzag stitch. I said, that was 2 in 1 right there. Okay, so what I'm going to do after that is I'm just going to create like this little, like this little ruffle effect. So I'm going to take the top, smash that down in the middle, and then I'm going to pinch that part, and then I pull this part up. So I'll show you again. So I took the top part, placed that down just a little bit. I pinched the middle, placed that up a little bit, and then I have this remaining piece right here, and I'm going to place that up like so. And now you have like this little ruffle look. And then all you have to do is just take this piece here, turn the raw edges inside, because you don't want that to be exposed. Okay, so now you have the pretty side on the out. Ruffle it back up, and then you're just going to slide this piece back over. Okay, just working your way on hiding the seams. Great. Okay, and now we have something that looks like this. Super cute, super easy. Now let's try it on. My head's pretty small, but of course I have this little bun on top of my head right now. So let's work our headband around that. OMG, this is super cute. It fits perfectly, okay? Not too tight, not too loose. When I say perfect, perfect. Here in Chicago, baby, it gets below 10 degrees, okay? So I'm going to need me a couple of these. All right, so what I need you all to do is take that sewing machine out that box and create you 1, 10, 15, 20 and think about Christmas. These would be great, quick and easy Christmas gift or stocking stuffers. So until next time, guys, if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you love the video, make sure you share it with your family and friends. Take care and stay tuned because we have plenty more videos coming soon. Bye.